James' impression of a knight from the Round Table who's removed his headwear. At the Bosnian border, we're crossing over. James is of course in at front, and I'm at the back, and Brian's in the middle. And we can hear everything on the Scala radios, and they ask for basically documentations and the logbook for the bike. So James gets his logbook out for the bike, and everything's going really, really well. This one
Logbook.
here. Logbook. So then they take it into the cabin, and then the security come out, and they're looking at the back of his bike, and they're looking at his logbook, looking at the back of the bike. And basically, what have you done, James?
Well, I recently purchased a car at the same time as I got my motorbike, and it looks like what I've actually done is brought my car logbook as opposed to my motorbike book. But yeah, that was potentially game over at that point.
It might still be at another border.
I don't think it will be. I think, thankfully though, it's obviously documentation, which is really, really good. I got my green card, so I showed it to them, and they were happy with that.
Nice up here.
Right, it's beautiful up here.
Up until recently, as soon as we went over 2,000 feet above sea level, we were just completely covered in snow. But we've headed down we're in Bosnia now, and we're 2,278 feet above sea level, and there doesn't seem to be any snow at the moment. In the distance, in all honesty, there are mountains still with snow on them. We've just been through some really snowy passes, but we're hoping today that a lot of the trails that we wanted to ride are going to be rideable.
First proper bit of off-roading. It doesn't feel natural.
Slower your pace. Ride at your own speed.
No, don't slow your pace.
Brian will get you killed. Ride faster. Who do you trust in the situation? Ride at your own pace or ride faster?
It was a bit smoother riding faster. Yeah, get more grip, see?
No, you don't.
Rob, so what do you think about the scenery and kind of what we've come through already?
I think it's breathtaking. As I was just saying on intercom earlier, there's people who go to kind of Iceland all throughout the year, which costs an absolute fortune. Why don't they just ride here in March? See, because you just like experience stuff. We've got a shepherd come down now here. Have a look at these sheep.
Brian, Rob, James, you.
You know? Brian, Rob, James.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good.
What did you expect the shepherd to have with him if it wasn't sheep?
I expected him to have probably an AK-47, if I'm honest.